Hey, what's up, guys? Lewis Jordan, the thoughtful digital marketer, coming to you today with a review of the $250 online everyday system by Cameron and Kenny. It shows you how to make $250 per day online. Multi-million dollar marketers Cameron and Kenny have came up with a brand new fail-proof system that's guaranteed to fill your bank account with $250 payday starting within 24 hours. Okay, so start generating $250 today. No email list needed, no product creation, no selling to anyone, no website. Just copy and paste. Even newbies and failures are very welcome. Well, if you're not familiar, Cameron and Kenny are multi-million dollar product creator marketers, and they're going to be giving up some super affiliate secrets to making some consistent daily sales in a straightforward manner. This particular product and these guys are responsible for 37 in a row product of the day. So their product creators are prolific product creators, and they came to found in their business that when it came time to promote other product creators' products doing affiliate marketing or during the promos or during the launch releases, they weren't faring so well in these contests and in their commissions. So what they did was they stopped their business for a while and went to the drawing board and came up with a system to make sure that they really hone in on how to drive sales, because other people were selling their products, but then when it was come time for them to promote to their list, they weren't doing so well. So they knew they were leaving a lot of money on the table, and they weren't kind of holding up their end of the bargain as far as in business world was concerned. So here's what they came up with: real results from real students. Even complete newbies with no experience and no list and no product are completely killing it. We're using 100% free methods. So $250 a day, sales on PayPal, over $4,476.47 in profit with free traffic. Like we said, no need. This system doesn't require you to beg JV partners for sales or leads. No huge marketing budget. You can get started for free. No list or website required. No product creation, review videos, Facebook posts, or any content creation is necessary to get going with this. It's basically out of the box for a newbie. So if you want to make $215 per day online as a teenager, you can do that with this system. As a newbie, whoever, so if you're sick and tired of trying just all these other systems that have been just, giving you a bunch of busy work, and at the end of it all, you're not making any profit, this is the system for you. So here, like we said, these guys have made 38 Product of the Day awards and 2 Product of the Year nominations. They came up with a newbie-friendly way to make $250 per day without product creation. So like we said, this here's another case study by a friend of theirs. They put on to the particular system. He made $5,270 in a few hours of work. They're showing just a screenshot from his Warrior Plus back office and the sales that he was able to produce using the system. So, like I said, the $250 online everyday system. I was going to show you how to make $250 per day online. So let's jump into the members area and we can go into some of the content and how they're going to deliver the system or this course to you guys. Here you're going to see what I like about it. It is no frills, guys. It's just not a lot of bells and whistles. It's just pure content in the back here. So this is the main training area. There's 1, 2, 3, like 5 videos here. 5 videos. In these videos, this first video is something like 8 minutes long, 7 minutes, 40 seconds. This one's like 32 minutes. This video, the third video, is 35 minutes. The fourth one is 33 minutes, and this one is kind of wrapping up this section. All right, guys, 10-minute video. This one here is another 5 or 6 minute video, part 2. And so that's the main area. Then once you hop into the bonus section, there's going to be another case study here. Again, there's a webinar that you're going to sign up. We've already missed that date. So the extra case study, that's another 18 minutes there. Free list explosion is another 24 minutes on how to create a list. That's why you don't need a list when you get started. You can create one. They're going to show you how to create one. And then they're also going to give you if you're willing to buy resale rights, which is an awesome way to make some more money. And then some more list building methods, another 23 minutes. So basically, guys, that's pretty much it. You're looking at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or so videos packed with value, and at a price of $5.95. It's a no-brainer. Coming from two millionaire marketers who really know how to create products and really know what is about to deliver information online, they created another product to show in a real world sense that it was something they were lacking in their business, went and figured that out and brought back that information to the marketplace. This is an awesome product at $5.95. I'm going through it. I'm taking copious notes. I'm learning new stuff every day, and I'm implementing, and I'm getting them started, and I'm seeing some results in my business. So guys, pick this one up. You're going to be happy you did. So this is Lewis Jordan, the Thoughtful Digital Marketer, signing off. I'll see you next time.